Oh, welcome back to That One Life. We have a tornado warning here right now, or a watch, I should say. Check this out. Check this out. You're getting like, I don't know, at least 70 mile an hour gusts of winds. The neighbor's tree over there is just about bend over. And this definitely reminds me of tornado weather. This is crazy. It's like a pretty bad storm. I don't know, pretty nuts, guys. Let's see if we can't go out here and look down the street here. Can't see nothing. We got sideways rain. The non-stop roar. This is crazy. Now this is a monsoon storm. This is insane. I was just getting ready to go to bed and I heard it beating against the glass on my back patio. I was like, you know what? I want to go take a look at this and see what's going on. Yeah, check this out. This is wild. Tundra's getting power washed. Man, this is crazy. You guys hear that roaring sound in the background? Wow. Yeah, a buddy of mine sent me a thing that said that we were in a tornado watch in parts of my county as well as the one neighboring me. So, I don't know, we'll see what happens, guys. We haven't lost power yet. I don't know how. These kind of winds. But yeah, this is nuts. And my street over here is completely flooded. It looks like a river. And this all happened within just a few minutes. Whoa. You guys hear that? Man. Anyways, right now they're declaring it a severe thunderstorm. But they're also saying to be cautious and watch for tornadoes. So, we'll see what happens, guys. Yeah, this is crazy. Like, wow. Kind of tired. It's like, I don't know, 11:30 maybe. But yeah, this is crazy. I didn't capture the worst part of it. Was like very beginning. The wind was so intense. Well, they claimed that it was like 80 mile an hour winds. I believe it. But the hardest part of the storm isn't supposed to hit for another 5 minutes. Supposedly, according to radar. So anyways, let's make this short video here. I'll let you guys see some more of the storm here before I head out. Haven't had any hail or anything yet, so that's a good sign. But man, it dropped like, I don't know, at least 15, 20 degrees maybe more. It's actually a little on the chilly side right now. Earlier I was out here, it was humid and I was sweating like a dog, so pretty intense. I like it. You guys already know that. I love storms. Always have. See if we can sneak around here and see how bad this is getting. Man, my poor little tree got hammered. Whoa. So anyways, yeah, check this out, guys. Over here to my side yard, completely flooded. Garbage cans are all knocked over. Pretty nuts, guys. Anyways, figured I'd share this with you. I know I haven't had much content. I took a new job and it's kind of taken up a lot of my time doing management now. So getting the hang of things, you know, trying to get everything sorted through. And I'm going to be posting some more videos here pretty soon. I haven't had the time to. I've been working pretty long hours. So anyways, as soon as I can put some stuff up, I got some things in the works. I will definitely post some more stuff about that one life. But yeah, right now, this is, I guess this is what you're getting. Oh man, gotta love it, right? Absolutely gotta love it. Anyways, guys. Yeah. That's awesome. Y'all have a good one.